Now we are moving to exercise 16.3 word problems. Okay, so the first question. A plastic mug can hold 350 milliliter of liquid. If a bucket can hold 20 mugs of liquid, find the volume of the bucket. That's the question. So, according to our question, a mug can hold, so I'm writing the mug, can hold 350 milliliter. And what we have a bucket also. That bucket can hold like this 20 mug. Okay, bucket is there. That bucket can hold like this 20 mugs. Understood? So you just imagine this is the cup and this is the bucket. Okay, try to imagine like that. Okay, like this cup, how this cup can hold 350 milliliter. Okay, so like this 20 cup we can keep inside the bucket. Clear? Then you have to find out the volume of that bucket you have to find out the volume of the bucket. That is the question. Clear now? Question clear? Now, have you understood? Now we can move to the answer. Okay, according to our question, like this one cup if you are keeping inside the bucket. So I'm keeping the bucket, it's a big, you just imagine this is the bucket. Okay, so this is, you just remove this figure, this is the cup. So first cup we are going to keep here. So 350 milliliters already inside the bucket. Another cup, third, fourth, fifth, like that. We are going to keep 20 bucket. If we will keep 20 bucket, then 20 cups, then the bucket will finish. That means the bucket will cover fully. Clear? Now, so we can we have to find out how much the liquid is inside the bucket. So if it is there 350, 350, 350, 350, 350. According to our question, each mug have 350 milliliter. Like that 20 mugs we can keep inside this bucket. Clear? So each mug have 350 milliliter. So 20 mug is there. 20 mug means 20 into 350. It should be 7,000 milliliter. Okay. 20 mugs are there. 20 mugs. 1 mug 350 milliliter is there. 20 mug 20 into 350. You will get the answer 7,000 milliliter. So our bucket can hold 7,000 milliliter. Second question. Yeah. Question is, find the volume of a cylinder in liters whose curved surface area is 154 square meter and height is 3.5 meter. So here something has given. What is that? First one is curved surface area has given. What is that? 154 square meter. And height also has given. Height, how much height? 3.5 meter. So we have to find the volume of that cylinder. After that we have to convert that you have to find out the volume of that cylinder. That much only. Okay, that cylinder, we have to find out the volume of that cylinder. Okay, so curved surface area is already given here. It's already what's that? 154, and height is 3.5 meter. So we know curved surface area equation. What is the curved surface area equation? 2 into pi into r into h. That means I'm writing the equation here. So 2 into pi into r into h, which is equal to curved surface area. That means 154 square meter. Is it clear? Okay. Now we can give the values of pi and h. We don't know the values of r. We don't know the value of r. If if we will find out the value of R, then only we can find out the volume of that cylinder. Okay, cylinder volume we already know pi into R square into H. So we need R. That means radius we need. Without radius we can't find out the cylinder volume. For that we have to find out the radius. For that we are using this equation. Okay, what is this? Curved surface area already is it has given here 154 square meter. And we know curved surface area equation is 2 into pi into R into H. So we are going to apply these values. 2 into pi value we can take here 22 by 7 and into R we don't know. So we can write R like that. And H we can write 3.5 which is equal to 154 square meter. Clear? If you are not right, okay, this is it. This 7 and this 3.5 we can cut. 7 and 3.5 we can cut. That means 1 3.5s are 3.5 and 2 3.5 which is equal to 7, and this 2 and this 2 we can cut. The remaining things are 22 into R into 1 which is equal to 154 square meter. 22 into 1 we know that is 22. 22 R which is equal to 154. Therefore R which is equal to 154 divided by 22. Why? 22, this 22 from left hand side is going to the right hand side, then it will become divides, we will get, then the final answer will get how much? 7. How much we will get? 7. So we got the radius is 7. The remaining things, remaining part I write here. So we got the radius is 7. So what do we have to find out? We have to find out the volume of that cylinder. We know the equation. Volume, how we can find out the volume? Pi into R square into H. That's the equation. So we know the values. Pi value is 22 by 7 into R value 7. That means 7 into 7. That is R square. 7 into 7. 7 square. That's why I'm writing 7 into 7. Clear? H 3.5. We can cut this 7 and this 7. The remaining things are 22 into 7 into 3.5. Then you will get 539 meter cube. Understood? Here also 7 meter. Radius is 7 meter. Okay. Radius is 7 meter. 7 meter into 7 meter into 3.5 meter. You will get meter into meter into meter. Meter cube. 22. Here 22 by 7. There is no unit. Okay. And here 7 meter and 3.5 meter. That's why meter cube. Clear? So the final answer, volume of that cylinder is 539 meter cube. Now third question. Convert 12,000 centimeter cube into liters. So what is 12,000 centimeter cube we have to convert into liters. What? To liters. Okay. So we know one thing. 1 centimeter cube which is equal to 1 milliliter. We know that one. Understood? 1 centimeter cube which is equal to 1 milliliter. So 10 centimeter cube which is equal to 10 milliliter. 100 centimeter cube which is equal to 100 milliliter. 500 centimeter cube which is equal to 500 milliliter. Same way, 12,000 centimeter cube, that means 12,000 centimeter cube which is equal to 12,000 milliliter. Clear? Yeah? Now, one more thing. Now, sorry, it's not one more thing, it's another thing. That means 1,000 milliliter which is equal to liter. We know this thing also. 1 liter, that means 1 liter which is equal to 1,000 milliliter, or 1,000 milliliter which is equal to 1 liter. You can say either like this or anyway you can tell 1,000 milliliter which is equal to 1 liter, or you can say like this 1 liter which is equal to 1,000 milliliter. No problem. So both of them are correct. Okay. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter, how much? 2 liter. 3000 milliliter, how much? 3 liter. 12,000 milliliter, how much? 12,000 milliliter, which is equal to 12 liter. Clear? 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 1 liter. Then 2000 milliliter, 2 liter. Understood? 5000 milliliter, 5 liter. Clear? Like that, same way 12,000 milliliter, which is equal to 12,000. Okay, how we can find out this one? Milliliter divided by 1000. That means 1 milliliter divided by 1000, that will be the liter. Clear? That means 12,000 milliliter divided by 1000, then also we will get 12 liter. Clear? So the answer is 12,000 centimeter cube is 12 liter. Clear?